Hello to all the internationally educated nurses there. I'm Navkiran and I welcome you all to my channel Navkiran's Nursing Classes. Friends, through my channel I always bring a lot of useful and informative videos for nurses, especially internationally educated nurses who immigrate to Canada with a dream to become an RN in Canada. So today I am here to answer a very common query of internationally educated nurses. Often a lot of nurses contact me on my YouTube channel or on my WhatsApp with a question that which is the best province to start up with their nursing career. So today I have decided to make this video for all you internationally educated nurses who are finding answer to this question. So let us start today's video. So friends, before we start today's video, I just want to request you all, in order to grow my YouTube channel, I need all support of yours, okay? So basically, you can support me by subscribing my channel, by sharing my videos with the internationally educated nurses. In this way, I'll get even more confidence to upload many informative and useful videos for you. So let us start today's video. See, a lot of time internationally educated nurses approach me with the concern that whenever they leave their country, their family behind and they are coming to Canada, they don't have any idea like which province is best for them. Now, what are the parameters they are looking for? A province which can give their advisory report or, licensure in the least time possible, in the easiest way and without much spending much money. So, most chunk of money will go into a course which you will take, before doing your NNAS or, after the release of your advisory report. Like, for example, when your NNAS advisory report is out and then you apply to the particular regulatory authority or regulatory body of that state. So, that regulatory body can give you various courses to go for. There are various ways in which the internationally educated nurses can be benefited. Now, when the nurses are coming on study visa, obviously they take some courses, and if they have taken nursing courses, they are very much benefited, because of them they get direct eligibility. But this cannot be the case in every province. Now, to tell you, in my opinion, Ontario is the best province for internationally educated nurses to kickstart their career as a registered nurse. Now, why I'm saying this? So friends, the very first reason is NNAS. See, we all know that in order to get an advisory report from NNAS, academic IELTS score is needed, and that score is really high. And in Ontario, CNO allows you to waive off this language requirement till you get your NNAS advisory report. Now this straight away saves your 6 to 7 months at least, because in some cases I have seen the internationally educated nurses are not able to get or reach up to this score. This is the reason why most of the internationally educated nurses, although they are in various provinces, but they would like to apply for Ontario. This is the biggest reason why you should choose Ontario to apply for your licensure. The second reason is, once NNAS will issue the advisory report and then you will apply to College of Nurses of Ontario for your evaluation. College of Nurses of Ontario gives you report very quickly. Within 1 week you will get your eligibility, that either you are eligible to sit for NCLEX or CPNRE. This also saves your time. And in addition to that, I must say that if you are on study visa in Ontario and you have taken any nursing course, then you are in a win-win situation. And why it is so? Because if you have taken a nursing course, then first of all, no IELTS, no CELBAN needed, because you have done a nursing course in Canada and that too in English. So CNO allows the waivement of your English language requirement. And the second thing is, you will get direct eligibility for RN, which is a dream for a lot of internationally educated nurses, especially the PR candidates, because they are not doing any course here. So it's very difficult for them to take a comparable report from NNAS. But here, the candidates with study visa, they are in benefit. Okay. So this is one of the best thing about Ontario province. Okay. The next thing is, see, Ontario is a very happening, developed province of Canada. It has very big cities and to kickstart your career, you can get a lot of job opportunities in this province. So once you become an RN, finding job is not a difficult task, since Ontario has a lot of hospitals. Community public health area is also providing a lot of job opportunities to the registered nurses and licensed practical nurses, which is called as registered practical nurse in Ontario. So I must say that if you are new to Canada, or you are still in your country and wondering to which province you should start your NNAS application with, then I would say Ontario is the best. Obviously, there are a lot of factors that may influence your decision. For example, if you have some family or friend in other province, then you would definitely choose to live in that province. Okay, so individual factors may vary, but overall, if we look at the picture, in my opinion, Ontario province is best for you to kickstart your career, because here it will take less time to get your RN licensure if you fulfill all the required conditions for doing so. So that is all about today's video. So I'll see you all in the next video. Kindly subscribe my channel, kindly like my video, and share my videos with internationally educated nurses and those who are in need with this for these videos. So with these words, I'll take a leave. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.